everybody? Matthew Gabel here with 60 seconds with Sauk Valley Insurance. Now, our goal is always to beat the clock. We don't always accomplish it, but we get real close, right? That's because we want to save you time. The topic for today is going to be life insurance. I just had a customer come in, a couple that already has a policy in force. It's a permanent life insurance policy as opposed to a term. Those are really the two basic forms. You have permanent and you have term, and I'll explain that to you in 1 second. But they needed some cash out on their policy. There is a mechanism in permanent life insurance that there will be some cash growth, accumulation in those policies, an investment mechanism. But term, you just pay that policy for a certain amount of time. It's a very affordable, budgetable policy, but when that time is up, the policy is up. Where permanent, you keep paying for the rest of your life, and as long as you make those payments, that policy will pay out upon the death of the named insured. So, permanent, term. Both, in my opinion, are important for certain reasons. If you have more questions regarding that, contact us, please. But today, I want to give you guys some reasons to think about purchasing life insurance. So, in 60 seconds, let's see if we can accomplish this, people. Let's get this party started now. So, the biggest reasons for having life insurance, or at least considering to have life insurance, are to pay for your final expenses. You never know when you're going to pass away, right? So when you do, there is a large expense for your final expenses, your burial, your casket, whatever the case may be. Your money isn't always there. So you can take out a policy for those final expenses. Very, very important. I don't care if you're 20 or if you're 200 years old. It doesn't matter. You should have it. Your children's expenses. If you pass away, whether it be your spouse, whether it be you, you're going to need money for them to go to college, right? So you take out a policy according to what you feel is important for your children's expenses for college. Another one is to replace your spouse's income. I know that dual house incomes are pretty much the thing. So one of the parents or whomever it is passes away, that income is gone. How do you replace it? You use life insurance. Another one is to pay off debts, whether it be car, whether it be house, whether it be credit card. There are a ton of debts that everybody has these days. If you don't have debt, amen. But if you do, life insurance can take care of that as well. And then another one that I don't think a lot of people think about is buying your partner out in the case of a death. The shares that your business partner may have owned, whether it be 25%, 50%, whatever that case is, life insurance, you can set up policies for that. Even if you have a key employee that you know they rock and roll on the sales, that can be set up for life insurance in case they leave as well. So, life insurance, there's a lot of reasons to have it. I think the biggest thing is have that conversation with your business partner or with your spouse or whoever you share your life with, because I think life insurance, there's a place for it in almost everybody's family. So if you have more questions about life insurance, please contact us. Something we do very, very well, a ton of options, a ton of carriers to choose from. I think it's more budgetable than you think, and you can reach us through social media, website. It doesn't matter. Thanks, everybody. Have a great weekend, and we're out.